This is Sophie eating an apple.
Yeah.
We're just on our way home, going out to Matt's mom and dad's probably. Yeah, what time you coming? Alright. Might take Soph for a little walk, but we'll be close by. Pretty warm out.
This
But we'll
little
be
dog.
around.
I just love her. I just love this pup.
Alright, bye.
There's the pup's mom. She's over driving. She's over there. Oh. Oh, there.
I think you're safe.
Well, Sophie's had enough. She's probably ate half this apple. I barely even got to eat any. We'll go to the other side. Nope. Still tastes like Sophie's spit. But I don't care. I love this. No.
Do you want to take a walk by the house or do you want to go over to the park?
Goodbye.